I do lots of van tours, but I don't usually do my own van. So I'm going to show you how I put it together. So cozy. This is the best of 5 arrangements that I've had in my minivan for full-time travel. If you've seen my first videos, you know that I have come a long way. I named this YouTube channel Butterfly Tracks for a couple of reasons. I don't fly in a straight line like butterflies, and I escaped a cocoon, a recliner. I spread my wings and took off when I was 71 years old, and I am 74 years old now. After I retired, life seemed kind of empty. Yeah, you could go volunteer, you could go for a walk, you could take up a hobby, but that wasn't a big enough life for me. I wanted to do more. I'd always wanted to be a travel writer long before there was a YouTube, back when there were magazines, you know. So here I sat, kind of molded to the recliner, very comfortable, beautiful, high definition, big screen TV right in front of me. And I looked at all those beautiful places and I thought, you know what? I really want to go there. I just felt like I could go right through that big screen TV and just get right out here in real life. Well, at 71 years old, I was out of shape for sure. Still am, kind of. But I was out of shape, 71 years old. I was slightly disabled with hip issues. No one thought I could do it. And I'd never traveled alone before, never. But I believed I could. So I did, and here I am. I'm at a cabin for a few days, but I've been full-time on the road for 3 years now. I want to tell you a little bit more about that, but let me show you what I've done to my van. I've had several different arrangements, and I can put some links to those other arrangements, but by far, this is the best. The most comfortable bed, more room on the floor, very efficient use of space, more storage, more organized storage, and I think it's beautiful. I want to show it all to you. First stop was IKEA. That's where I got my little cabinet, and I even put it together myself. I'll show you just a little bit of that before I start putting it all back together. I am an IKEA virgin. This is my very first IKEA. I'm very excited. So Ramona, you've been here before. You're going to be my tour guide, right?
I am.
All right, let's go. And Coco's along for the ride. She's in her limo. And now the unboxing. That's where the drawers are going to go. I'm going to take the rest of this out. Everything out of the box, and I'm organizing the little bitty screws, and I counted them in these pegs, which I think are going to require the mallet to get them whacked in there. And these bigger screws, there's an Allen wrench for those, and some L brackets, and there's the little tool, little Allen wrench. You've got these little pegs that go in, and that helps stabilize the piece. The pegs went into this and helped hold it while I put the actual metal screws in. Coco didn't really help. Okay, it's all put together, yay! I have put the bed back in. As you can see, it's a lawn chair. I like to head up a little bit. I could sit straight up with it if I wanted to. Here's how I leveled it. Instead of leveling the floor, which gives you less headroom right here where I would be sitting, I've leveled the bed. And now I have more room underneath because I have these levelers. I put the smaller one on the middle leg, and then on the one at the head of the bed, it's the deepest here, so I put the taller furniture support there, and it levels the bed. Actually gives me more room under the bed to store things, and I can still sit straight up on the bed, plenty of headroom. This is a bed, a couch, a recliner. I have the head of the bed up a little bit. It could go higher or lower, but that does create a little space down there. And another thing I like about this, it's just more comfortable for me for one thing, but I never notice if I'm not level. unless I was side to side, not level quite a bit. Nice clean carpet, beautiful. New vinyl, clean underneath, all vacuumed. I've got it in, not done yet. Nice baskets. These baskets slide really easy. So from sitting on the floor, I have my 2 power stations lined up. Now that I have this space here, I have full access to both of the power stations. I have a bin to put up under the bed, fits nicely. I think I'll get another one like that. This one has a vacuum cleaner, some electronic stuff, the 2 books that I wrote, and it fits nicely under there and pulls out easy. On the passenger side, I've got space to put some things. I've got a cart and a chair and a stool that I want to put right here, but I don't want it up next to my bed where I'll be bumping up against it all night. So I got this nice long hallway carpet. I was going to use it, but it just didn't work right. It wouldn't be washable, but it works perfectly here because it's nice and stiff. It'll stand up here, and I can put my chair there, and I won't be bumping up against the chair. Instead, I'm up against this. So I have the chair and the cart there, and the little stool across there keeps everything together. My WeatherTech window covers, and I put black stretchy velvet on the outside, and these window covers all go very nicely right down beside the bed. Of course, at night I'm putting them up so they're not in the way there. We used L brackets to secure these 2 cabinets together. All the bins are in, and I think I've got it sorted like I'm gonna keep it. Over here on the left in my little narrow shelves, I've got paper products, hand wipes, kitchen wipes, and toilet paper, biodegradable garbage bags for the potty. I've got a little 8-inch 8x8 skillet, electric skillet there, 600 watts. A few canned goods, oatmeal, miscellaneous for now. More biodegradable bags of various sizes. A few over-the-counter meds and emergency things. A few appliances for the kitchen. These big drawers are really nice. They hold very tall things with no problem at all. Holds a lot of weight too because it's a metal mesh. I have seasonings in here. I think I have a few more to go in there. A little bit of dry goods. Certainly a lot more can fit in there. This is my new kitchenware. These plates that I got from Walmart have a nice edge to them, which is good if you're in a car. Room for more to go in there too. Nice and deep. I don't even have anything in these 3 bins right here. Well, got a few powdered drinks there. And some dog puppy pads, which are very nice to have if you have a dog with you. If it's way too cold to go out in the morning, or you just don't want to get out at night, you can actually put that puppy pad on the floor, and at least Coco knows that if she's got to pee, she can pee on that. So that's good to have. Wanted to show you how I can get to things from the inside. These baskets on the bottom, I actually can reach down here and get to things in here. More convenient to get to them from the back, but I actually can reach them from either side. Really is the best toilet for, certainly for full-time for a woman. And I do have a full review. I'll put a link below to this Stand Sport. This is how I get in. I sit on my nice little potty here, and then I just transfer my legs in and transfer around. I don't get in on my knees. I don't need a step to get in. And I'm not going to bend over and twist around to sit on the bed. I should have a tripod doing this, but I think you'll get the idea. So I put my butt on it and I sit down, And I just transfer my legs in and I'm in, just like that. And if you haven't ever tried it, this right here is a nice little handle so you can just lift up and turn. Potty refrigerator, brand new Bouge RV refrigerator, and I will be doing a review of this Bouge RV that they were nice enough to send to me for review. Love my pillows. There's actually a blanket in this pillow. My clothes are in these pillows, which is a good use of space and makes it nice to sit up at night. I'll show you these lights at night. These are actually little tiny seahorses. And I've got lights over there too. I'll show you that at night. There's a little bit of space between the tables, and certainly there's enough room to get to my brand new power station that I will be doing a review on very soon. I love this thing. And the one I've done a review on already, ALLPOWERS, also love this one. I can scoot over here to my table. I can actually put my feet in front of the table if I wanted to work on my computer or prep some food or whatever. It's so nice to have a surface. Before, the only surfaces I had were the potty and the refrigerator. One of my favorite things in this new setup is this table right here. I'll have a link below. It actually has a little net underneath that things can be put there safely. So that's it. That's my new setup. Lots of organization. Oh, I didn't show you these two. Two more bins right here. And this adorable little essential oil warmer. It's a fireplace and it's really cute. I'll show you this at night. I love it. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of my new minivan setup for full-time living and traveling all across the U.S. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Thanks for the comments that you leave. See you next time. Bye.